Hello everyone, just on the Trans-Canada Highway heading east here in BC in between Kamloops and Pritchard. Just wanted to show you the train that runs parallel with the highway. Not sure if anybody's ever seen these kind of engines before, but Kansas City ones. Apparently they either bought up CN Rail or they're partners, or not sure. Kansas City Southern. Looks like they sent up all their old engines. Looks like something that's older than me, but hey, it's still doing the job, so that's the main thing. Just wanted to show you the, oh, sorry. Stopped. There's more trains here in BC than there is anywhere I've seen in a long time. I'm from back east in Nova Scotia, and the only trains you see back home are Via Rail and Autoport ones for vehicles coming off the big ferries there and big boats in the passage.